If you feel like you do not want to put on your shoes and step outside, remember that it is not your fault at all today. Sometimes our brains set up a natural defense mechanism to avoid change. We are not here to force your body with sheer willpower alone. Instead, we will use simple psychological tricks to wake up the inner energy that is already resting deep within you right now, waiting for a spark. Many people believe that laziness is the problem, but often it is just a lack of a clear starting point to overcome that initial mental friction. Today, we shift the focus. We are going to explore the science of starting small and how it can completely transform your daily physical health journey. Walking is the most natural movement for humans. It is a gentle way to tell your body that it is time to thrive and feel alive. By understanding how your mind works, you can bypass the resistance and make the first step feel as natural as breathing every single day. Let us break down the barriers together and discover why even a few minutes can make a massive difference in how you feel and live. Science has proven that just 15 minutes of walking every day can significantly reduce cardiovascular risks for those who are over 60 years of age. This is not just exercise. This is a way for you to send a powerful thank you note to every single blood vessel in your body. Your heart is a muscle that craves movement. When you walk, you are giving it the strength it needs to keep you going for years. Observe how your blood pressure stabilizes as you move. These numbers are the silent witnesses to the incredible benefits of a simple, daily walking routine. Every step you take floods your cells with fresh oxygen, clearing the mental fog and giving you a natural boost of energy that lasts all day. The difference between staying still and moving is the difference between stagnation and vitality. Choose to let your heart beat with purpose and health. Your joints also benefit immensely. Walking helps keep them lubricated and flexible, reducing the stiffness that often comes with age and inactivity over time. Think of it as an investment. 15 minutes is only about 1% of your day, but the returns on your health are absolutely priceless. You don't need expensive equipment or a gym membership. The world is your track, and your health is the ultimate prize for every single step. Watching your progress can be incredibly motivating. Each step is a small victory that adds up to a much larger story of personal health and wellness. Start today and let the science of movement guide you toward a longer, happier, and much more vibrant life full of energy and great health. Consider the story of someone who felt exactly like you do right now. They felt tired, unmotivated, and stuck in a very repetitive daily cycle. The idea of walking for half an hour seemed like a mountain too high to climb. The weight of expectation was simply too much to bear. She thought she had to be perfect. She thought she had to walk fast and far. But that pressure only made her want to stay inside. But then she changed her approach entirely. She decided that she didn't have to follow anyone else's rules. She just had to start very small. She didn't aim for the park. She aimed for her own front gate. Just a few steps to see the flowers she had planted last spring. That first step was the hardest. But once it was taken, the second one felt just a little bit lighter and more natural than the first. She realized that 5 minutes of walking around her living room was just as valid as a long trek through the woods or the neighborhood. The low starting threshold became her secret weapon. By expecting less of herself, she actually found the freedom to achieve much more than she expected. Walking 5 minutes a day became her new normal. It wasn't a chore anymore. It was a small moment of joy she gifted to herself. There was no pressure to be an athlete, just the simple pleasure of feeling her heart beat and her lungs fill with the cool morning air. Her story is a reminder that big changes always come from small beginnings. You don't need to see the whole staircase to take the step. Winning for your health doesn't require a marathon. It only requires the courage to walk past your own front door for just a few minutes. So take a deep breath. Feel the ground beneath you. You have already started the journey just by listening to this story today. Well done. Mayo number 1 is all about visual cues. Do not rely on your memory alone. Put your walking shoes right where you will always see them. When those shoes are the first thing you see in the morning, your brain automatically switches into ready mode without you even having to think. This simple trick removes the friction of searching for gear. It creates a direct line from seeing to doing, making the choice much easier for you. Efficiency is the key to consistency. By preparing your environment, you are setting yourself up for a win before the day has even truly begun. Mayo number 2 is to combine your walk with a joy you already love. Maybe it is your favorite radio show or a fascinating new podcast. When you associate walking with entertainment, it stops feeling like exercise and starts feeling like me time that you actually look forward to every day. The time will fly by as you get lost in a story or a song. Before you know it, you have reached your daily walking goal. Enjoying the journey is just as important as the destination. Find the sounds that move your soul while your feet move your body forward today. Mayo number 3 is the powerful 2-minute rule. Commit to walking for just 2 minutes. That is all. Just 120 short seconds. The rule is simple. If you want to stop after 2 minutes, you are allowed to. But usually, once you start, the momentum keeps you moving. Getting started is the biggest hurdle. By making the commitment tiny, you bypass the fear of failure and find the flow of natural, healthy movement. Magic happens after those first few steps. Trust the process, trust the 2-minute rule, and watch how your body responds with newfound strength and vigor. Now, let us turn these tips into a real plan. We are starting a 30-day challenge together, step by step, for a healthier version of you. In the first week, your only goal is 5 minutes. Do not worry about speed or distance. Just show up for yourself for 5 tiny minutes. The feeling of checking off each day is a powerful psychological reward. It builds your confidence and reinforces your identity as someone who takes action. In the second week, we gently increase to 10 minutes. Your body is already starting to adapt, and your heart is getting used to the rhythm. Consistency is much more important than intensity. Even on days when you don't feel like it, just give yourself those 10 minutes of grace. By the fourth week, you will be walking for 20 minutes. What seemed impossible a month ago has now become a natural part of your day. Your energy levels will be higher, your sleep will be deeper, and your mood will be significantly brighter than when you first started this journey. You have done it. 30 days of showing up. You have proven to yourself that you are capable of change and that you deserve to feel great. This is not the end of the challenge. It is the beginning of a new lifestyle. Keep moving, keep breathing, and keep valuing your amazing health. You are not alone in this. There is a whole community of people choosing health every single day. We are all walking this path together. Fatigue is not a sign to stop forever. It is a signal to start moving differently. Let the energy of others inspire your own journey today. Leave a comment saying, "I start today," to join us. Your words will inspire others and lock in your own commitment to a healthier future. Do not forget to subscribe for more daily motivation and health tips. We are here to support you every step of the way. Stay strong.